Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video on the Fox Liquidation palette I purchased. This is going to be box number 3. I just want to share with you what these items look like, what you are to expect if you were to buy a pallet. Also, the style and the format of my content will show you what the actual listing looks like. So I unbox it and then I also go over the actual eBay listing, and I've already done all the research. I've looked up the comps, what they can potentially sell for, and what it looks like. I will put my link down below that has the 5% discount. If you do use my code, thank you so much. I do get a little something for it. But yeah, so far so good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. These Lucky brand jeans shorts sold within days after listing. They are the same size, so I was able to create a bundle for someone and sold them for $40. But this one here is a Free People crop top. It's super cute. It's originally $98. It's called the Bluebell Combo Extra Small, but this is perfect because it's spring season and summer season. So we'll put this maybe on both Posh and eBay. Like super cute, like a tunic dress. Like a dress for the spring, for the summer, size medium. I think this is a skirt. It looks like a skirt. Super cute. It's a size 6, retails for $78. It's called a Dawn Mauve maxi skirt. Here's an example of just like one of Macy's house brands. It's that INC brand, International Concepts. Like I mentioned in my first video, my cost of goods is about $7.22. So for something like this, I'm just gonna charge, I don't know, $5.99 or $7.99, and then I'll run some sales. But it's really, these are the things that I'm just gonna sell at cost because I don't think it's one of those hot selling items. And just a tip, although I get multiples of one thing, I like to have as many listings as I can, so each size will have its own listings. If I have multiples of the same size, then I'll just do like quantity of, 2 or more, and then with different sizes, they do have their own listings. Just a tip. This is super cute. It's a Calvin Klein. It's kind of like a tweed blazer jacket, like an open front blazer jacket, very Chanel-esque. I love it. This would be great for the fall. I'll hold on to it. So this is weatherproof vintage. I've never heard of this brand, but it's, I guess, created for Macy's. Nice filler piece. So these ones are more holiday styles. I'm gonna just put these ones aside. I'll list these ones later. A Free People sweater with a security tag. Dang it. If you know any tips or tricks on how to remove this, I haven't even ordered this security tag remover yet. So if you know how to do that, will you just leave a comment? More holiday sweaters, putting aside for now. guess I didn't realize on the manifest I was gonna get so many of these sweaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. All small, so 4 smalls, 1 medium, 1 extra small. They're cute. And Mason Jewels has been okay. It's not like, it doesn't command a lot of money, but maybe 50% ROI, maybe. I'll take it. So I was wrong. I don't have very many Free People items in here. It must be in the other boxes. I kind of like this dress for me, but the thing is, you can get so many cute things and you just have to be careful so you don't lose your money. I guess like what Scarface says, don't get high off your own supply, right? This is super cute, really nice. Definitely a really cozy sweater. It feels like it's wool. No, it's acrylic. Feels like wool. That's box number 3. Now, if you don't mind letting me know if this format is helpful, I know that there are a few other YouTubers that do an unboxing and they kind of go over each item. I'm doing this at a faster speed when I edit the video, and then I'll do a side-by-side clip of the actual listing. Is that helpful? Because the purpose for my channel is to help you, maybe give you some tips and tricks and see how we can, help each other. I just want to also share my experience. I know what it's like to resell. I know the hustle. I know it's tough, and sometimes you go out there and you find resources and they charge so much money, and I was fortunate enough to learn everything from free content on YouTube and just blogs, Instagram, Facebook. So I want to contribute to that because I just want to pay it forward. Anyways, all right, let me know if this is helpful. If you want me to change up the style, and maybe we'll just go up to my living room and I'll just unbox one piece at a time and we can just talk about it like that. But this way I figure, I got to maximize my time, and this is a way for me to create YouTube content and at the same time do what I need to do to get my hustle on. All right, have a great weekend, you guys.